It's plumbing time. Tankless. Kinda bad. We're gonna perform some annual maintenance. Let's get started. Before you say anything in the comments section, I left my drill at your mom's house last night. Milwaukee sucks. Ew. Pump. Time to add in the good stuff. Smells like your mom, with a hint of citrus. It's pumping time. Always check the intake. There's more. All clear. These are my keens. About to have a lot of dribbins on this one. Woo! Spicy dribbins. We're gonna go clean this out. Much better. Always wipe your dribbins. Now time to switch it up with water. Water. Hour's up. Let's get it all back together. Unlike my life, that's not together at all. Kinepics are cool. Whatever you do, don't spill this. I spilled it. If you don't know how to screw, don't take the top off. It's done.